Hello everybody, thank you so much guys for all your support. Today I'm making banana cake. So this is the fruit sugar I'm using instead of sugar. This is more healthy. This fruit sugar is basically from fruits, so which is good. Sometimes I use honey or syrup or maple syrup. This is my beaten egg with my olive oil in there. That is my ginger gems. This is my chopped dates. This is my cranberry, dry cranberry and sultana fruits, and that is my smashed banana, and that is my different flour, wheat flour, oat flour, buckwheat flour, coconut flour, sesame wheat flour, soya flour, I mean not sesame flour, and all the old healthy flour here. So I grind the oats, porridge oats, flour is there, and I put in the one that is not ground as well, mix them together. And my baking powder and my rock salt, just a little pinch of rock salt from Egypt. I bought it from health shop. So this is the pan. Oil with spray olive oil, and I sprinkle some oats flour inside as well. So by the time it's cooked, I'm gonna show you guys. So let me crack on. This one is ginger's gem. You can get it from health shop. They are very healthy as well. So let me crack on. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for all your help. I cannot thank you guys enough. My friends from the Philippines, from Malaysia, from America, from all over the world, from Germany, Italy, France, Australia, Canada, name them. So you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support, for your genuine comments. Please, when you go to my YouTube channel, watch my video for 3 minutes, leave a very genuine comment that relates to that video you are watching. That is how YouTube will accept it. Otherwise, they will put it down. Likewise, the same thing I do to you guys. When I go to your channel, I watch your video for 3 seconds, or even I watch even half of the video. I watch even to the end, and I leave a very genuine comment relating to that video that I'm watching. That is how your subscription gonna go through. Otherwise, they'll put it down. So guys, thank you so much for your understanding. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you very much guys, and take care, and keep subscribing and thumbs up. Cheers and bye.